Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends! Today we want to share a story that really touched our heart. It's about how Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam earned the title Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy. You know, in a world where trust can be hard to find, it's amazing to learn about someone who was so honest, so reliable, and even his enemies trusted him. From a young age, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was known for his good character. He never lied, never broke a promise, and always treated people with kindness and fairness. Whether he was dealing with family, friends, or strangers, he was so always respectful to others. That's why people in Mecca admired him so much, even when before he became a prophet. Waalaikumsalam, you're absolutely right, but the really horrible is that his title Alamin is something he gave himself. It was a name the people gave him because of how he lived his life. One of the most famous moments that show this happened during the rebuilding of the Kaaba. The leaders of Makkah were arguing over who should place the black stone back in its place. It was a serious disagreement and they could find a solution. So they agreed the next person to walk into the mosque would decide. And that person was none other than Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The moment they saw him, everyone relaxed. They said, "Here comes Salamin with trust him." That say a lot about his reputation. That parts always give me chills. Imagine being so trusted that people who were just about to fight suddenly agree because of your presence. And what he did next was so wise. He didn't take the honor for himself. Instead, he placed back the black stone on a cloth and asked each tribe leader to move a corner. Then he lifted the stone and placed it in its spot. It was fair, peaceful, and respectful for everyone. That's the kind of leadership we need. Someone who brings people together, not divides them.